Hi, I'm Janice Kemper with Northern Physical Therapy, and we want to help you create a healthier lifestyle.
Welcome to Buy Local Michigan, where we are promoting Michigan business, communities, and its people.
Hello, I'm Dwayne from DW Video and Multimedia, and I'd like to welcome Janice to the studio. Janice, thank you for making the long trip here.
Thanks for having me.
Can you tell me a little bit about your business?
You know how some people suffer from nagging aches, pains, injuries, conditions that really are limiting their everyday function? We solve those problems by treating the patients, educating them, and then truly helping them create healthier lifestyles.
Your profession is?
Physical therapy and occupational therapy.
All right. How did you get into this?
Well, I've been a physical therapist since 1988. I went into it because I loved helping people.
Sure.
And over the years, in 2003, myself and my business partner purchased a business, and we're here in West Michigan to help people create healthier lifestyles and achieve their health goals.
Okay. How do you help people?
Well, most people, when they think of physical therapy or occupational therapy, they think, oh, yes, I broke my leg, or I had a stroke, or I had an ACL reconstruction and I need physical therapy. And certainly we do lots of physical therapy and occupational therapy for those conditions. But there's so much more to therapy than that. So for example, let's say we have a runner that wants to run a half marathon, but at mile 5, he has knee pain or foot pain that's keeping him from achieving those goals.
Okay.
There's therapy for that.
You know, but you got the guy that works on the factory line, you've got the gal that's doing this or the person that's doing that. How do they develop a relationship with you?
That's a great question. In 2015, a law passed that allows consumers to directly access physical therapy. What that means is you don't necessarily need to see your physician before you come to physical therapy now. So if you have one of those nagging conditions that you want a physical therapist to take a look at, or if you sprain your ankle and you say, hey, can you take a look at my ankle? We can tell, go to the doctor, you need an x-ray,
right,
or whatever.
Okay. Is there a tip that you can give us that might help us have a better lifestyle? The
best pieces of advice that I can tell you is to reverse your postures throughout the day. With our blood flow, getting blood to all the parts of our body, all of our tissues, it carries oxygen and nutrients to our tissues, and it carries waste products away from our tissues. Now I want you to visualize a worker that works at a desk. And if that person is sitting at a desk with their head forward, their shoulders rounded, their elbows bent, their wrists bent, their hips are at 90, their knees are at 120.
Do you have a camera in here? Have you been watching me?
I know.
Yep.
I'll teach you about your posture.
Okay.
But if you visualize all of that, and I stay like that for 8 hours in a day, you can see how I'm not going to get as much blood flow to my extremities.
Sure.
So my tip is, let's say I work at a desk, but I'm on the phone for a few minutes. Stand up. If I sit all day, on my breaks I should stand and walk. If I stand all day, on my breaks I should sit. So reversing those postures throughout the day helps correct the micro traumas that happen throughout our day.
That's a great tip. How does somebody get in touch with you?
Well, the best way to reach us is through our website. So if you go to northernpts.com, we have all kinds of different links and helpful tips and pieces of advice right on there.
So you're right there to help educate the customer.
Absolutely.
Well, Janice, I want to thank you for coming in today. I'm Dwayne from DW Video and Multimedia. Remember to buy and shop locally.
Buy Local Michigan is produced by DW Video and Multimedia, where we are telling your story.